What is up, guys? This is your girl Mizuki and welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually going to be doing a couple of art snacks today. So the first one we're going to be doing is the menu of April. I am behind, guys, I know, but what can you do? Before I start the video, I truly apologize. I do have the baby here with me. He is awake and extremely talking, and he does not want to take his pacifier. So if you do not want to watch this because the baby is annoying, please leave my channel. Thank you very much. And that's it. Thank you. On to reviewing all this stuff for Art Snacks. So let's go on to the month of April and show you what I got in this box, okay? I see a lot of cool stuff, so I'm actually really eager to review all these things for you. So let's get to it. The first one in the menu of April is the Illuminance 6901 color pencil. This actually retails for $5.40. It's actually really expensive to tell you the truth, but this is what it is right here. I'll show you a swatch. So it's actually really, I know a lot of people, like comic book artists, they actually like drawing in blue or red. I like to actually draw in them, but erasable ones, I doubt if this is erasable. But what they usually do is they actually draw in purple and then purple. That's a blue and red mixed together. They draw in red or blue lightly, and then on top of it they'll do all their drawing, their inking and everything, and then at the end they'll erase whatever is left, whatever is visible other than the ink. And yeah, I think this is pretty cool. It's very, very smooth. Like when you actually, like, it's really lightly pressed, and then it's dark. In this menu, it states that it's very, very light, fast, permanent color pencil, and it's has a velvety effect to it, which I do agree. When I did swatch them in the paper, it does have that very soft texture to it, which is really nice. They said that the velvety stems, it took a technical research, about 2 years for that. And it says here the high pigment concentration result is in intense bright color with strong coverage and mixing capacity. So it's saying that it's very, very strong coverage. I'm pretty sure it can go over stuff. The opacity is very dark on this, so that's pretty cool. To tell you the truth, I wouldn't go any further from this. I have so many color pencils, but if you are interested in getting something like this, definitely would recommend it. Let me show you again. On to the next. So the next thing is the Zebra Sensation with the Z double-ended brush pen. This retails for $5. So let me show you what the pen looks like. Jesus, this guy's never been talking so much. Only when I'm on camera. Alright, so the first thing is, this is it right here. It's double-ended, one thin and one thicker than the other one. So this is the first side and the second. It states here on the pen that it is made in Japan, so everything on the pen is all Japanese, so I wouldn't be able to give you any information because I don't know how to read Japanese. So let's read what the card says. It says, from super fine lines to big bold strokes, the Zebra Sensation pen offers amazing versatility, diverse lettering or illustration style with the two different felt tips on the pen, fine and medium. Waterproof pigment ink flows from both ends, delivering lush black color, and the flexibility of the brush nibs are excellent bounce and delivers consistency ink flow, responding to change in pressure with ease. So let's test that out. Why don't we? So the first one, we're going to do the medium side. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. I think that is actually really good. I'm trying to see the pigment. Yo. I actually really like this pen. I'm actually going to add it into my travel kit. Look at the black. It's a really, really dark black. And if you don't know me, I love black inking. So let me try the other. This is actually really cool. And I actually do recommend this pen. I actually like it for my collection. Gonna keep her. It's a keeper. Next thing on the month of April is the Ironlak Pump Action Paint Marker in 7mm. This actually retails for $5.55. So this is actually the staff favorite. This is what it looks like here. Is it? There you go. And I got it in the color blue. So let's do some swatching. I'll try to go over a couple things to see if you can actually see through it. You still can't see through it, but it's a really nice blue. So let's read about it. So it says to pump up your artwork with the Ironlak Pump Action Paint Marker. This flexible tool has tackle a variety of surfaces from fabric to skateboard decks to glass. Oh, that's pretty cool. And everything in between. The custom design of valve system allows for control output, ensuring clean application every time. It's also refillable. The nib is replaceable, so you can keep working for a lifetime. Next thing and the last thing, it's a mechanical pencil. This is the PenTell Orenz One Click mechanical pencil. As you guys know, I do love mechanical pencils, but I think I have so many that I don't need this one. So I'm definitely, even though if it's good, I'm actually gonna put it in the don't want pile. So here it is, guys. It's really light, which is really nice. Maybe I changed my mind. This is actually a number 3 lead pencil. It says please do not advise okay and no. Okay. The lead beyond the pipe. So it gives you like freaking instructions on how to use a lead pencil. So let's see. So let's read about it. Wow, this is one expensive lead pencil. So this retails for $8.95. Damn. Maybe I won't let this thing go. It's freaking a lot of money. So it says this pencil is one click wonder. With its special super sliding sleeve, you only need to click once to extend the lead and start writing. Okay. It says the sleeve prevents even the finest lead of breaking. No, do not extend the lead past the metal tip. It'll write without and actually seeing the lead. It's preloaded with B lead, which is super strong and produces clear dark lines. Alright, so okay, so wow, that's pretty cool. So I think I'm gonna change my mind. I'm gonna keep this one. It's very interesting. So it shows here that it doesn't have any lead. I'm not clicking it at all. You know, I just clicked it once and it's a writing. Isn't that cool? So it's like once it needs more lead, it's gonna keep going down itself. Like it prevents you from actually breaking your lead, which actually is what happens most of the time on my lead pencils. But this is actually really cool. I like this a lot. I think I'm gonna keep it. I changed my mind, guys. Sorry. That is it, y'all, for the month of April. Before I leave, I wanted to let you know, like when I say I'm gonna actually put this in the discard pile, I'm not discarding the item. I actually, at the end of the year, I do a big giveaway of all the items that I do not use anymore, or I tested it once and then I put them, and I don't throw those away. I just don't use them and I put them for somebody else who wants them. So at the end of the year, I do a big art giveaway. So definitely stay tuned and subscribe to my channel in order for you to enter for that one at the end of the year. And the end of the year is coming up soon. So yes. So don't forget to subscribe, comment down below on other videos you want to see. Also, I wanted to show you guys my new t-shirt. Isn't this so cool? Bless you. Isn't this nice? I think this design came up really good. Right now I'm wearing a men's medium. I like very loose, especially in the summer because I sweat so much. But anyway, they are available on my store for right now. Some are sold out, so if you do want a size, comment down below. I do have a lot more, but I'm not restocking until after New York Comic Con. If you guys are in New York, just to let you know, I will be doing I'll be doing New York Comic Con on October 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'll be there, and I'm going to be doing a separate video regarding what I have new in store and everything. So I have so many new things other than this t-shirt. Other than that, this is your girl Mizuki, and that's it. I am out.